Today we are ordering from online. There are many reasons why one should order online, and one of the main reasons is convenience. You can just click a button and your goods get delivered either to your home, or you can get them delivered to the pickup point. Maybe the product you're looking for is not available in your local area, so you need to get it from far away, and this product is available online, so you can order so that it can be delivered to your local area. Another reason to order online is also the price. Maybe the brick and mortar store or the local store does not offer a good pricing. Most of the online retailers actually lower the price a little bit so that you can order products from them. They lower the price so that when you compare with the one at your local area, you find the online one to be cheaper, so you have to order from online. The time saving ability, because you save time, you don't have to go there to look for the product. You just order, then the product will be brought to you when it's ready. And also the selection, you find that online there's a wide selection of goods. You can pick a specific good that you want and you can compare with others, maybe the pricing and the specifications, like when it comes to mobile phones or anything. So we are going to be ordering from Kilimall, and you can also order from any shop that you like and in any country that you're in, depending on the available online shops. So I'll show you the procedure of how to order directly from Kilimall. Stay tuned. So you go to your browser and search for kilimall.co.ke. Then search for the product you want to order. And here is a display of some of the products. It's a tripod, so you can look for the one that suits your needs and then just select it. You'll keep on scrolling to find the best one. So these are other tabs that you can check: new arrivals, there's the top sale, and then we have price. You can choose whether it's low to high or high to low. I'll go back to the popular one, and here we'll select the first one because I guess this one is more popular. This is a 2.1 tripod stand with 10-inch LED ring light, and you can see the rating is 4.6 with 124 customer reviews. The price is right there, and this is a flash sale which will end after 5 hours. So you'll check the color, black, and these are the payment options. You can choose Lipa Pay, M-Pesa, iPay, Bonga Points, or Airtel. These are the related products. So you can select buy now or add to cart if you are adding more items. So you go to checkout in your cart. You go to the cart, and here is the product. So you can pick the quantity that you want. Maybe let's say 2. Here we are saying 2. Then you can check whether there's a discount coupon. Proceed to checkout. We have to select the product first of all before you proceed to checkout. Then you can proceed to checkout. And here you choose your delivery address. The delivery address, you can add a new address. You just have to enter your first name, last name, the phone number, and your location. For example, you can select according to where you are located. Pickup station. This is the nearby pickup station. You can set it as a default. Then I see quantity. You also have some coins to redeem, and that's the price. They'll give you the shipping fee and the goods amount. You enter your M-Pesa number, then you place an order. So here is how you can order via your Android phone or iOS. Open the app, which in our case is Kilimall. Then you search for your product. You're searching for a lapel microphone. Can see we have two here. Let me open the first one. This one has some reviews. You can go through the reviews before we order. That's the order of the day, because you don't want to order something that is bad. So you can see the reviews are okay. Like this one has 5 or 2 reviews, and many are positive reviews with a good rating. As you can see, even people post videos about the lapel microphone. So those are the reviews. You can see they love the microphone. This is a good sign that you can order from this application. So I'll go with this one, which has 502 reviews with a rating of 4.1 as an average. You'll select the color. For example, there's black. You see they are over, and you can say, you can tell them to notify you when they arrive. So we'll select this other one. Then you can, of course, check out. Make sure you've checked your shipping information. Then you are paying via M-Pesa, which is a mobile money application. You can see the goods amount and the shipping fee. You can redeem 2 coins from there. Then you just have to place an order after everything is right. Enter your M-Pesa number, then you can proceed. Then you'll be prompted for a PIN on your phone. Then you just enter your PIN and send. That way you'll have paid, and now you'll be waiting for the product to arrive. So of course you have paid. It's telling you thank you for using M-Pesa. So that's how you ship products via Kilimall. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe if you're new to this channel. And for the subscribers, also remember to leave a like. You can ask me any questions that you have a doubt or you want a confirmation down below in the comment section, and I'll be ready to answer you. I'll see you in the next video.